My child, if you are putting too much pressure on yourself, stop it. Don't let the self motivation you have been giving yourself be weighed down by your fears of the past. Keep taking care of yourself, and you will glide through any short lived problems that may be presenting themselves to you. Your new energy is strong and it will keep you on the right path, and nothing is going to hold you back. You are putting your new energy and wisdom to good use, and it's keeping you on the path the universe has set out for you. The happiness you're feeling now is only a taste of what's still to come. You have healed from trauma, and the energy used will continue to grow and keep on a road to light and prosperity. Type yes if you believe in God, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.